Hello everyone. So as you can see, we have semicircles here. We have actually two semicircles. We need to find the area of this green portion, right? So if we look at the bigger semicircle here, this one is bigger semicircle. If we look at this and we can find out the area of this, how? What is the area of a circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square, right? Then what is area of semicircle? Semicircle mean half circle, right? Area of semicircle, that means half circle, so it is pi r square by 2, right? Okay, so now we will have to find out r first. Okay, so I will say r for bigger circle. I can write r as radius of bigger circle. Radius of bigger circle, right? What is the r? If you see, this is diameter, right? This is diameter. 12 plus 8, that is 20. 20 meter is diameter, right? So what is radius? Radius is 10 meter, right? Because what is radius? Radius is actually half of diameter. If you divide diameter by 2, you will get radius. So what is radius of bigger circle? 10 meter. Then what will be the area of bigger circle? Okay, because for finding area of this shaded portion, what will I do? I will find area of bigger circle, then I will find area of smaller semicircle, and then I will subtract area of bigger semicircle minus area of smaller semicircle. I will get this shaded area, right? What will be the area? Area will be equal to pi r square by 2. This capital R means we are finding the area of bigger circle, bigger semicircle. So I will write pi. Radius means 10. So 10 times 10 divided by 2, right? So we got 50 pi meter square. This is the area of bigger semicircle. Now I will find area of smaller semicircle. If you look at the smaller semicircle, the radius is actually 6. Why? Because it is given that diameter is 12. If diameter is 12, radius will be 6, right? So I will write r as radius of smaller circle. Smaller, you can say smaller semicircle, because here we are given semicircle. I can write circle as well, so that doesn't matter because we are actually writing the radius, right? So what will be the area now? Area will be pi r square by 2, and you know why we are dividing by 2, because this is a semicircle. So pi, what is r square? R square means 6 times 6, because r is what? 6 meters, right? So by 2, cancel this out, I will get 18 pi, right? So now you know that area of bigger circle is 50 pi meter square and area of smaller circle is 18 pi meter square, right? So area of shaded portion, area of shaded portion is equal to bigger area minus smaller area, right? And this will be equal to 32 pi. 32 pi means 32 multiplied with 3.14, because pi is what? 3.14 approximately, and this is equal to 100.48 meter square, which is our answer. So we were supposed to find area of shaded portion and we have already found that, right? So if you understood this, if you like this, do subscribe to my channel, and you can find many such videos on my channel. We have Maths Olympiad questions, we have conceptual videos, we have short tricks as well. So do visit and give your reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.